Hi everybody. Today I'm gonna unpack my new buy. It's a Samsung Galaxy S10 with a cryptocurrency wallet. Uh, it was the first day in South Korea when they put it on market. I was actually the second customer in the shop who got it, so I got a little present from them. That's the phone. Actually, not me, just the shop assistant took if you can see here, he cut it. I asked him to put English version for me, but it came sealed. So I wanted to that come sealed because if I'm gonna keep it or carry with me for holiday any cryptocurrency in it, I don't want that to be tempered. That's why I didn't buy it on eBay earlier. I wanted to buy it from the manufacturer. So that's the phone. What they gave me free. They gave me one silicone cover. They gave me car adapter, charger. That's actually cool. They gave me a smart battery, which which has I'm not sure you can see it, 4,000 milliampere hours. So like a second battery of the phone. They gave me two phone protector covers. Magnetic one with it's in here as well. Is a silicone protector, credit cards. Yeah, so it's kind of cool of them. And tomorrow they gonna, because it was the first day, they didn't have everything. Tomorrow I'm gonna get as well the stand for video recording for from the phones as well, free of charge. So let's talk about the phone. There is something else here. I think it's just paperwork. No, it's something there. It's another paperwork and another silicone protector. So in the box it comes as well with the charger, connection. That will be probably wire for a charger, yes, and headphones. You can get a wireless headphones for S10, and you can charge it with a S10 phone. It's there's a plastic. It's strange, it's not on the front. It is. It's all, but it's permanently sealed with the plastic. You can't take it off. That is actually what is said in the specification about the protecting of the screen. So this phone is 8 gigabytes RAM, 128 gigabytes of storage. S10 5G in 2 months will come with up to 1.5 terabyte storage, so that's huge. And what deal they do in Korea, if you bought this phone in 2 months time, you can change it for 5G, but you have to pay over $400 extra while you're changing it. The prices in Korea are a bit more expensive than what you find online. So 10E costs around $820. That's prices in Korean won. 10S cost about $930, and 10S Plus cost about $1,050. No, so specification, I went through it. What's interesting about it, it has a 3 cameras on the back. Two of them are 12 megapixels, and one is 16, and one of 12 is like a zoom camera, telescopic one. So we'll see how it makes photos and videos. I'm gonna put it on. If you are still with me, maybe batteries. No, it's going on. Subscribe to the video if you like technology, cryptocurrencies, or green energy, and press the notification bell button so you will be up to date with all the gadgets I'm buying or what I'm installing in my house. I bought it with KT company. That's the first one in Korea to sell the phone. Okay, let's swipe to unlock. So that's a big Z. So not everything actually is translated to English. Some of the apps still appear in Korean. I wanted to check, first of all, I will check how the the cryptocurrency wallet work on it. So I pause the video for a second, I'm gonna install it, and then I show it to you. So the problem is this is supposed to come with wallet which will hold Bitcoin and Ethereum. So you go to the Galaxy Store, you download that, then you go to your settings, go to where is it? Go to biometric and security, and you have a Samsung blockchain key store, and I downloaded all. I put the pin, I put the recovery words in, and now that I can't make it run, I don't know why. I checked it online, nowhere I can find out why is that. But if you go to Galaxy Store, you can see the screenshot how this is supposed to work. Samsung blockchain, and it was like that. I agree. And which cryptocurrencies we support is just Ethereum. Ethereum is no Bitcoin. It's not other things in it. That's actually the photo is not mine. Security words, you have to write them down the same as you do with your Ledger Nano S. And yes, you can do just transactions with ETH. So I'm very disappointed about that. I will try to find out more. Maybe I missed something, but as now what I can see is just Ethereum. We can go to the camera, and I'm gonna pause it, the video, and I'm gonna try to find something to show you how they look on the screen. So the quality of the screen is amazing. It has two built-in speakers, so it's very loud as well. Maybe you will be able to hear it. So I'm really happy with the buy. I'm disappointed with that wallet, cryptocurrency wallet, that I can use just Ethereum. I was searching online and I couldn't find anything. I'm gonna go to the shop tomorrow and pick up my free stand for this phone, and I will talk with the seller. Maybe he will be able to find something on Korean websites, but on English websites it's nothing. Maybe they still didn't put it live, but I don't think so. Why would they release the phone without putting option when they were advertising that it's a phone which will support apps and cryptocurrency? So I will find out tomorrow. Maybe I make another video. If you have any questions or you want to cover me something about that phone, just leave it in the comments, and then I will make a short update and show it whatever you want to see. Have a nice day, and goodbye.